Polish passport is a very important document to have if you are planning to travel across the continent of Europe. This is because the country is part of the European Union and you can practically go anywhere in it without having to apply for visas and undergo strict travel and immigration procedures. There are also numerous areas in Europe that you can only enter if you have a passport. An official it used to be enough, but security measures in most countries have been greatly made stringent because of the global threat of terrorism. Passports, therefore, are evidences that you are a citizen. The Polish passport is easily awarded to citizens of Poland who request for it for identification or travel purposes. It is not necessary that you were born in the said country to obtain the item. Even if you are currently registered as a citizen of another country, you may still have the right to ask for the passport if one or both of your parents is a registered citizen of Poland. The burden of proving such fact, however, is on the applicant. The passport contains important information about the bearer. The said information generally comes in the three most spoken languages in the continent, namely English, French, and Polish. An individual can use the passport for up to a decade, after which it must be renewed so that the bearer can continue using it. Non-citizens of Poland can also obtain their own Polish passport, though they will need to go through far stricter procedures and interviews. The best way for a non-citizen to acquire the item is to get petitioned by a citizen of Poland. Moreover, the petitioner must be related to you by blood. The petitioner should also have the ability to provide you with a good standard of living, at least until you become capable to live on your own. A petition is a special power of attorney that allows a citizen to serve as catalyst in the conversion of a non-Polish citizen into a Polish citizen. The Polish passport is a requirement if a citizen of Poland wants to travel outside of the country. The item is needed not only in airports but also in almost all ports in. You will need it whether you are planning to travel to a foreign country by plane, by boat, or by train. You can only use an official it as a substitute if you are able to prove that you will return to the country within 3 months of your departure. For people who want to enter Poland but have no pass, a tourist visa will suffice, but you will not be allowed to stay in the country for a period exceeding 3 months. If you are planning to enter or exit Poland more than once in 10 years, getting yourself a Polish passport is highly recommended. This will allow you to enjoy the benefits as a Polish citizen and establish the authenticity of your citizenship.